Hello everyone. Welcome to the Syed School. Today, we will analyze and configure interfaces of a switch. Switch interfaces or ports. Common ports on a switch. GI ports, gigabit interface ports. Speed, 1 gigabit per second, Gbps. Purpose, used for high-speed data transmission between devices on a network. FE ports, fast Ethernet ports. Speed, 100 megabits per second, Mbps. Purpose, suitable for general-purpose network connectivity, such as connecting workstations, printers, and other devices. We can see a switch with different interfaces or ports here. Usually, the interfaces are auto-negotiable. What is duplex in networking? Duplex in switches refers to the mode of data transmission between two devices. It determines whether data can be sent and received simultaneously or only in one direction at a time. Types of duplex. Half duplex. Data can only be sent or received in one direction at a time. Both devices must wait for the other to finish transmitting before sending their own data. Less efficient than full duplex. Full duplex. Data can be sent and received simultaneously in both directions. Allows for higher data transfer rates and better performance. Most modern network switches operate in full duplex mode. Auto-negotiation on switch speeds. Auto-negotiation is a feature used in Ethernet networks to automatically determine the optimal speed, e.g., 10 megabits per second, 100 megabits per second, 1 gigabit, and duplex mode, half or full duplex, for a network interface. This process is performed between two connected devices, such as a switch and a computer. In this topology, we see 6 hosts connected to a switch using the Ethernet ports. Let's log into the CLI of a switch. Let's enter into the enable mode of a switch. Now, we will look into the interface status of the switch. We can see the 6 connected interfaces as our 6 hosts are connected to this switch. We see small a sign, as the duplex and the speed are auto-negotiated. Now we will check the individual interface status. Let's check the fast Ethernet F01. We can see that both speed and duplex are in auto mode. We can see that the fast Ethernet port is in up state. Now, let's configure the speeds and the duplex manually. We can add a description to the port so that we know where the port is connected to in the campus or some organization. We can see here that interface fast Ethernet 01 is connected to the printer. Duplex is set to full and the speed is set to 100 megabits per second. Now, let's go to the interface F02 configuration mode and configure speed and duplex using the commands. We also add the description using description command. We set the speed to 100 and duplex to full here. Description is given as my PC as the port is connected to my PC. Now, we exit to go back to the enable mode. In the enable mode, we check the interface status to check if the fast Ethernet 02 speeds and duplex are assigned manually. Also the description. Now suppose, the printer has been removed from its location and we do not want someone to connect to that port and use our network. Instead of going to the server room and manually pulling the F01 cable, we can disable F01 port. We go to the interface configuration mode and type the command shutdown to disable it. We can see that the port F01 is administratively down and no one can use it now. Now, we go to the Enable mode to confirm that the port F01 is disabled. We can see the port F01 as disabled. Now, let's enable the port F01 using No Shutdown command. We can use No command to reverse many commands like speed, duplex. We can see that the port is administratively up now. Now, let's confirm if the port is enabled. We do manual speed and duplex configuration only in some circumstances where we feel that the auto mode might choose low speed or duplex. Manual configuration can turn out to be difficult when we misconfigure speed mismatch and duplex mismatch in case of manual configuration. Speed mismatch will result in both ports going down or not connected state. Duplex mismatch is much difficult as the interfaces will be in connected state but the line performance will be less. In this case, one switch port with full duplex configuration is connected to another switch port with half duplex configuration. This results in connection slowing down. In this case, a switch port with 10 megabits per second configuration is connected to another switch port with 100 megabits per second configuration. This results in ports getting turned off.